Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're looking at something different. We're looking at how to sell your cryptocurrency easily. Uh, since we know that for some time now, on some cryptocurrency, on some crypto wallets like Luno and Roku, for some time now, since mainly in Nigeria, since the federal government banned cryptocurrency, Luno especially, you can't transfer, like you can't easily sell your crypto on Luno and transfer your money to your bank account. So that restriction is there. But today I'll be showing you guys how to sell your cryptocurrency easily. An easy way by you sell your cryptocurrency, and which is very secure. Your money, you can't lose your money using this method because it's secure. Can say is the best trading strategy and the best trading wallet where you can sell your cryptocurrency. And please, in case you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, so I'll be teaching you guys how to sell your cryptocurrency easily using Binance. Binance is a crypto wallet where I think you can say Binance is one of the biggest crypto trading wallets presently in the world. It's a platform whereby you can go and sell your cryptocurrency at ease. Whatever kind of, like, what cryptocurrency, what any cryptocurrency you want to sell, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and SRP, the rest of them, even Binance Coin, you can go there and just sell it at ease. Their trading plan there is easy and self-explanatory. But today I'll be teaching you guys how to just go through it effectively so that you won't lose money. Alright, we're looking at Binance. First of all, we go to Binance now and see it and see how it goes. Let's go. So Binance Exchange. Alright, this Binance. Alright, if you don't have an account with Binance, you go to this place and register. You put your details and everything, your phone number, your email, and you try to verify your account. But after creating the account on Binance, you go to login. I have an account with Binance already, so go to login. Using putting your phone number. For security sake, I will have to hide these details. Then phone number and password. Alright, using an email rather. Alright, this security check we need to exactly so a code has been sent to my phone number. To my phone number. Code has been sent to my phone number. Okay, let me send the code. Code. Alright, I'm in. Alright, this is my account on Binance. Alright, so first of all, I'll teach how to. Okay, this is my wallet. If okay, let me teach this first before I go on how to sell your crypto. For instance, if you want to give someone your crypto wallet to send money to you, you go to wallet, click on wallet. It's overview. You go to fiat and spot. You click on it. Alright, wait for it to load. Let my network somewhat bad. So you select the wallet the crypto you want to deposit. So this is it. We have different kind of cryptocurrency here. Different kind of cryptocurrency. But let me use Bitcoin for example. For instance, if I want to give someone my wallet to send me Bitcoin, click on wallet, deposit, withdraw, click on deposit, crypto. What kind of crypto? This is Bitcoin. Alright, so if I want to give somebody my wallet, send me any coin, or I want to use my wallet to receive any coin from anybody, I'll have to give the person this number. You copy this number. Let's go to display and copy it. If I want to give the person my Ethereum wallet, I'll go to Ethereum. I'll click on Ethereum. Wait for it to load. This is my Ethereum address, wallet address. Same thing with any other cryptocurrency. If I'm sending USDT, that is Theta, click on Theta. Wait for it to load. Then I'll give the person this wallet to use to send for me. But for the sake of this video, we'll be looking at just Bitcoin. Alright, click on Bitcoin. So there's my Bitcoin wallet. So that is it. So you give the person the Bitcoin wallet, but then once the person send any money to you, see it on your Bitcoin balance, total balance. You see it here. Same with Ethereum, same with Theta, same with Ripple and the rest of it. So once, for instance, now if you should have any crypto in your balance and you want to sell it out, because these days you can just send your crypto to some of these vendors and the rest thing, and the next thing we'll see, they might just scam you and go with your money. But in Binance, no, it's not supposed. You can't lose money on Binance, because Binance will create a platform whereby, like, to make the transaction as smooth as possible, so that you won't get scammed. So if you want to sell any of your wallets, you just go to trade. You go to trade, then you go to peer-to-peer. Alright, wait for it to load. Go to the trade, then go to peer-to-peer. That's P2P, means peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer. Alright, at this place we'll be seeing, you see the for instance, since we are looking at Bitcoin, this USDT, this Bitcoin, this Binance USD, sorry, this BUSD, this Binance Coin, Ethereum, and the rest of it. So we'll be looking at Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin. Alright, this, since we want to sell, so we'll go to sell. Alright, wait for that. So this is the available vendors that are online to get your Bitcoin. But this is the place that most people do make mistake. You, after clicking on this place on sell, you see the type of payment here is all payment type. If you just want bank transfer, you click on this place, you go to bank transfer, you scroll down, just go to bank transfer. There's different payment option. Bank transfer, yeah, so that is bank transfer. So all these vendors that just came up now, these are the people that if you sell your Bitcoin to them, they'll pay you through bank transfer. And don't forget, the other thing I want us to know is that we should also check the limit. The limit. For instance, if you want to sell a crypto of maybe your crypto, the one you want to sell is around 100,000 naira. Look at this Samarano. His limit is from 499,999 naira to 500,000. That is just 500,000, almost 500. There's 499 to 500,000 naira that it can sell to you. If you have anything less than that, don't click on, don't sell the Bitcoin to this person. You have to scroll down and look for the person that has the person that you can sell to. Alright, look at this person. This one is from 6 million naira to 50 million. This one is 500,000 to 1 million, 500,000 to 1 million, 600,000 to 50 million. Alright, and so on and so forth. Let me look for the least person here for the purpose of this video. This one is 500,000 to 1 million also. Alright, I think, okay, this person is from 40,000 naira to 500,000 naira. I think this one has a low limit, 40,000 to 50. If the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell is within this range, probably around 40,000, 50,000, 60, 70, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. But it must not exceed this 500,000. Then you go to sell Bitcoin. You go to sell Bitcoin. You go to sell Bitcoin. Alright. You go to sell Bitcoin. Then you put the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Probably if it's everything you want to sell, you go to all. Then the amount of Bitcoin will appear there, and the rest. And you need to impute your payment method, a way whereby they can send you the money. You impute the payment method. You go that one, you set my payment method. This is the place where you set your payment method. You impute it there. Any bank you're using, you just add your bank there. This is the bank I'm using, this is my bank name and everything like that. If you want to edit, you edit. If you want to add payment, you add. Alright, because that's the place that will send you the money into. Alright, so let's go back to what we were doing. So once you see the vendor you want to sell your coin to, you just click on it and wait for it to load. I think my network is misbehaving. Alright, for the purpose of this video, we wanted selling to this vendor. To the vendor. Alright, let's say we want to sell 80,000 to 750,000. Then we just click on sell BTC. Click on it. Click on it, then all. Click on all, then sell. Then you click on sell BTC. Then the person will need to send you the money first. Once you receive the money, then the person will now type I've sent the money, something like that. Then you now confirm the order. Then then Binance will now remove the money, the BTC, and give the person. So that is it. So in Binance, you can't get you cannot be scammed on Binance, because the platform is like helps trading to go very easy and efficient. Alright, I think this is all for now on how to trade cryptocurrency on Binance. I'll be dropping a video on how to trade cryptocurrency on other wallets, so just stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video.